Hello guys, welcome to my channel. 2011 BMW 535i xDrive. I'm having an issue with this for the past couple days since I changed this guy. It's called the heated breath hose. When I changed it, my car stopped working and I was googling all over. Didn't get any answer. So finally I figured it out. There were a lot of videos about it. This is basically related to the IBM module, which is located on the passenger side under your hood. If you take this cover off, you will see a black module right there. Luckily you can see the fuses in here, but these fuses were covered with the solid top, so I had cut it off. Normally is the fuse number 1, that's a 15 ampere fuse right here. When I open this up and look underneath it, this fuse was blown. So as soon as I change the fuse, it started working. There are not many videos on the YouTube related to this. A lot of people are saying it's camshaft sensor, mass airflow sensor, or maybe the timing belt. No, it's not. It's just a 15 ampere fuse. You don't need to buy the the new IBM. If you take your IBM out, you will see and break the top part of it. You will see fuses underneath it. As you can see right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Mine was this first fuse that was a 15 ampere. I replaced it and my car is working absolutely fine. All the best.